Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral onion boil, so let's get started with the video. In a small bowl, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Next, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of Old Bay, half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of lemon pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 to 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of parsley, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then mix everything together until well combined. Once you finish making the sauce, set it to the side. Next, prepare a large onion. First, cut off the stem and root of the onion. Then peel off the thin outer layer. Next, cut and hollow out a small hole in the onion. When you're finished, place the onion on a baking sheet lined with tin foil. Then add butter inside the onion where you made the hole. Next, pour the sauce you made on the onion. Once you've added the sauce, season your onion. You can use whatever seasonings you'd like. I used Old Bay, lemon pepper, and paprika. When you're finished, wrap the onion in the tin foil. Then place the onion in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. Once the onion has finished baking in the oven, take it out and unwrap it. You can test the tenderness of the onion by poking it with a knife. If the knife goes in easily, then your onion is finished cooking. Place your onion on a plate and then pour the remaining sauce from the tinfoil onto the onion. Sprinkle some parsley on top and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This was super easy to make and it looks delicious. The onion was sweet and the sauce tasted amazing. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!